Got, Delvin? What you got?
Son, this is mobility. Son, this is mobility. You're supposed to grab the handle and go.
Come on. Push, Delvin. Push.
Like, no, nobody's holding my hands. Here, Daddy, get my hands while I do this.
Delvin. You got an antenna? What kind of radio station you picking up?
They walking, flocking.
Push it, look. Push it.
Mom, I got this.
You don't want to play with it? Why don't you sit on it? Sit on it.
You don't know how to convert it. Sorry, you're in the way. No, you're in the way.
Delvin, let Daddy do it. Yay, Delvin!
Shift the gear.
Push him. Well, stand behind him. Don't just push him and let him go because he'll fall. Yay, Delvin! Hi! Hi, cute boy! Hi, cute boy! What you got? Is that your car? No!
Mom.
Go! Woo! We're running out of time. Why are you just looking at it like that?
Go. Alright, bye-bye. Go. Go. Come here. Come here. Okay, just play with that. It's cool.
I don't think he really wants to ride it.
He will. He learns the concept of it.